Welcome. This video will show an overview of submitting an initial application for a child care center. The initial application will be submitted from the facility licensing portal. To begin, the person submitting the application will need to have an account for the ADHS licensing portal. If you do not have an account, create one using the Don't Have an Account, Sign Up Here link. Once the account has been created, or if an account has already been created, please note we do not want duplicate accounts here. Log in and navigate to the facility licensing portal. Select the Child Care Facility Licensing Program tile. Please note that the facility licensing portal is used by various Arizona licensing bureaus. There may be additional tiles located in the Other Facility Information section for these areas. The Child Care Licensing Program main page will display. Select the Initial Child Care Center Application tile. The Agreement page will display for the Initial Child Care Center application. The Agreement page contains various items that will be helpful in completing the application. Review them as necessary. Please note, once the I Agree button is selected, this page will no longer display. It may be helpful to save the checklist and application instructions to your device. Select the I Agree button to proceed. The first page of the application is the Applying Entity information. Enter all required demographic fields regarding the applying entity. Upon entering the address details, the system will display the address confirmation screen. Review the suggested addresses. The system will auto-select the closest match by default. Verify the address by selecting the Confirm button. If the verification tool does not recognize your address, you can utilize the address you entered. Enter the primary contact person information details. This is the primary person the Bureau will directly contact regarding the facility, also known as the emergency contact for the facility. Enter the facility information. Enter the primary email address. This will be the designated email that will receive all communications regarding the facility going forward. Select the service classifications requested for this facility. This section allows the applicant to identify what services the facility would like to provide. One age group selection is required. Select the appropriate response for the facility located in a public school section. Select the building license current status. Select the appropriate agricultural land information details. Depending on the response here, the application might request information from agricultural landowners within a quarter mile from the facility. Select Save and Continue to proceed. Select Save and Exit to save progress and exit out of the application. Return to the application by navigating to the Child Care Licensing Program area within the portal and selecting the Application Status tile. The next page is the Applicant Information Details page. Enter the designated agent, signatory, or individual owner information details. The section verbiage will alter based on the type of business entity for the facility's owning company. Please note that centers owned by individuals will not have controlling persons or responsible parties. Upload all required documents related to the designated agent, signatory, or individual owner. Please note that you will have the ability to upload multiple documents at once. The file will begin to upload. Progress is displayed on the pop-up. Select Done to complete the upload process. Repeat the process for all required documents. For a facility owned by a business or government agency, enter the information for adding each controlling person or responsible party. In this case, the title is required. You can additionally add or remove controlling persons or responsible parties by selecting the Add Person or Remove Person button respectively. Click Save and Continue to move on. The operational information is the next page of the application. Enter Facility Director details. Please note that this is not required for application submittal, but will be required prior to application approval. Enter the number of vehicles that will be used for the facility, if applicable. Enter each program name, up to 3 programs, and all hours of operation for the facility. Select various closure periods as necessary. Add additional notes regarding hours of operation as needed. Use this field if there are more than 3 programs to define hours of operation, or if the facility would like to further define specific closures. Select Save and Continue to proceed. The Upload Supporting Documentation is the next page of the application. Upload all required documents by selecting the Upload Files button. The file will begin to upload. Progress is displayed on the pop-up. Select Done to complete the upload process. Repeat the process for all required documents marked with an asterisk. Select Save and Continue to proceed. Building information is the next page of the application. Upload site and floor plans. For facilities located in schools that provide service for only children 3+, a school map or final set of construction drawings is required instead of the site or floor plans. Enter the requested total capacity. Please note that the applicant can adjust this value based on the facility's maximum capacity calculations after the initial inspection. Fee information is the next page of the application. Select whether the facility will register for the Empower PAC program. Fee will be reduced if yes is selected.
Select Add Program, then select the Select Program drop-down menu, select the program, and select Add Program.
Select the license tier. Please note that this will define the licensing price the facility will pay upon application submittal. Refunds are never issued if the facility is not authorized for the capacity tier selected. The description of the fee is outlined. Select Save and Continue to proceed. The signature is the next page of the application. Select whether the facility is ready for inspection. If unchecked, enter the inspection ready date. The designated person or signatory can select whether to upload a signed attestation or digitally sign the application. Please note that if digitally signed, no attestation is required to be uploaded. To sign, use the cursor to sign inside of the designated box. Select Accept to save the signature. Select Clear to redo the signature. The signature has now been attached. Select Save and Continue to proceed. The final page of the application will be the Review and Submit page. All details entered in the application will be displayed for final review by the applicant. Select Edit Section to return to that specific section to edit details. Once the review has occurred, scroll down to the bottom and select Submit and Go to Payment to proceed. The system will navigate the applicant to the payment portal for payment submittal. Enter payment information and click Authorize. Once the payment has been authorized, the application will show as submitted. This has been an overview of the submittal of an initial child care center application. Thank you.